Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I have some items to share with you today from DIY Choose. They were kind enough to send me 3 items that I could share with you guys. So let's get into number 1. And as always, I forget what it is that I picked, but oh yes, I know I did go for a few different types with this one. So this one has 12 colours. It does actually have DMC numbers, which is nice, but this one is rhinestones, all rhinestones rather than normal diamonds. So we do have some bigger ones as well. So can you see the letter F is a lot bigger than the A and the D. It is quite a lot of red, but with it being rhinestones, it's a little bit different. So it's down as a 30 by 30, but the actual drill area is just short of 25 by 25. Is the area, but let's have a look. We do get a toolkit with a boat wax and pen. Let's have a look at the special diamonds we get. So we have gorgeous reds. So we've got a couple of different shades of red there. We have some pinks as well. Quite a few different pinks. Look at all those shades of pink. Every single one of them is different. They're all rhinestone backed. Now that is like a really, really dark red. It could be classed as black, but it's actually a really dark red. Then we have, of course, some green. That is more some black. And then the bigger ones are actually purple. So you get quite a nice pop of purple in with all those pinks and reds. So it's not even really that much red, I wouldn't say. I'd say there's a fair chunk of pink. And with that pop of purple as well, I think that'll be quite a nice variety. The black, it is black, it's a 310, it's the letter D. It's mainly sort of round the outside. But it does have DMC colours for it, which is quite nice. So if you do like to store your rhinestones with DMC colours, you can. It's not very many companies that give you that. So the next smallest is this one. And you'll see why I like this one. If you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know why I like that one. Mainly because of the blue. I do really like blue, but look at all those shades. It does have 310, I knew it would, because it has got quite a dark background, but I think that makes it pop. And then there looks to be a load of blues and greens of all different varieties. It does have DMC numbers. It has 20 colours. It's down as a 30 by 30, but it's actually more 24 by 24 is the diamond area. You do get a toolkit with a boat wax pen. And then let's have a look at some of these blues and greens. Let's find me 310 first. I've got a little fly thing flying about. Okay, so we do only have 1 pack of 310. It's quite a full pack, but it's only 1 pack. But then look at all these colours and shades. Because if you think you've got the background of black, the rest are just greens and blues to really bring out the depth and the colour. We've got 19 varieties of greens and blues to bring those colours into the flowers, which is an amazing amount. You see that little fly is flying over there. Keeps getting in my way, and I keep trying to whack it. Yeah, I just think it's stunning. I really, really do. Okay, let's stop drilling over that one. Let's have a look at what the next one was. This is the one I can't remember. I sort of remember some and forget others. I'm going to get that fly. It's like a little fruit fly. Okay, what was this one? Oh, this was purely an art piece for a room. So we do have blues again, pinks and blues, so a mixture of the two. It's like a marble with what looks like gold in it, but of course that's brought out in DMC colours. It has 20 colours. It is a round, so they are all round. And let me get hold of it. So it's down as a 35 by 50. It's just short of 30 by 45. But isn't it amazing how you get that gold look when there's actually no gold in here, but you can sort of definitely see it from a distance. Let's have a look at what colours help to make up gold. We do get burnt wax pen. Sorry. Standard toolkit. Okay, so we have some muted colours, which will bring in these gorgeous colours, I think, in the pinks. Quite a few greys, quite a few different shades of grey. We've got some pops of purple as well. And some sort of, it's a very, very pale green. Maybe that one goes in. What colour is that one? 762. No, that doesn't particularly go in to bring out the gold. We've got that pop of pink, of course. So what colour is that gold? L, 842. That's actually that one. But because of the colours around it, it actually makes it look gold. That's going to be pretty good once it's done. It'll be really nice to see how that colour, which is the lightest one in the middle of these bits, ends up looking like gold. But it's amazing how a colour can be in one place on one painting and look a different colour to it being on another painting, according to what colours are around it. And that's how sometimes you have to trust the shading until it's finished and see what it looks like. But I just really liked it. I thought it's something that you could put up either way, depending on, you know, where it would suit in your home. But that would actually be nice in 3 panels of it as well, maybe. But yeah, so we have a blue and pink. We have a blue, and then we have sort of a red and pink. So we have a bit of a colour theme going on with this one. That was obviously something that was in my head when I picked each of these. But yeah, thank you so much to DIY Choose for sending me these to share with you all. I will put links for each of them down below, of course, so that you can check them out yourself. There is quite a few different rhinestone ones as well that were on the site. So if you enjoy doing the rhinestone paintings but want to do some that are full rhinestone rather than partial, there's a few different ones out there now. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.